Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the history of your lives that you watched on your account on Redn. So the answer is easy, just go click on it, and here you will find these three lines here up. Click on it, and here you will find the history, and as you see here you will find the posts, and here you will find the lives. So that's it, all the lives you watched, you will be finding them here, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.